I don't think you can hear my voice because it's raining so hard. It's the stupid rain again, so sorry I didn't post for the last 2 days because I've been working so hard on this Minecraft map. So let's get started. And I update this thingies to, if you die, you can just click here again to get back. Click here to get your character. And that's all. And now I will show you what's the updates that's shown here. Okay, this is the first update. If you're near Radical Highway, your time became night and you can fight enemies. Fight enemies just like in the trailer. Oh no, not trailer. And you know what I'm working on? I added 2 zones to the game. Yeah, I added City Escape and the Metal Sonic boss fight, and that will be shown later on the video. So, okay, got a platforming in here, that, and I made the parkour course more harder, like that, and I made it more harder for you guys. I don't know. I wish I could not fall in this thingy thing. Yo, I don't wanna fall. I fall. I did not fall. Actually, and we are here in the bridge, broken bridge. And you know what am I working on? I'm working on the City Escape in the Metal Sonic boss fight. Yeah, that will be shown later on the video. No! I fall. Yeah, I fall. I did fall. So, okay, let's just get back. You know, I already shown Shadow Generations, aka the Radical Highway. And now let's show some of those thingies. We're in the update. Sorry I didn't update Chemical Plant Zone and Speed Highway Zone because I don't have time to make them. Yeah, actually. You know what? Let's just finish this. Okay. That platforming and this launch thingy. And that bada boom, bada bang. No! What? Why do I keep falling? I keep falling, like, yeah. I'll show you later on the video what the City Escape and the Metal Sonic boss fight. Yeah, I will show that. And this map is already out now. You can download this map, link in the description. Not link in the description, okay? Not the link in the description. I'll put it on the in the comment section. The pinned comment section, okay? The pinned comment section. Because you need to finish Shadow Radical Highway. You really need to finish Radical Highway. You know what? Let's just go creative mode. Like, yeah. Why do I keep falling? I really hate that. You need to finish 2 zones to unlock both the keys to unlock the adventure era. But we need to do it right now. If we fall, let's just fly away back. let's just fly away back when we just fall. Yeah, for some reason. If we just fall, we just game back. If we don't fall, that's okay. Yeah, we did fall. We did fall. Yeah, we did fall. And here, this part. And this part, the broken bridge. Yeah, this is the broken bridge. And that. And this is what I fall. Oh, I made it up here. And you will climb the rope. You can just go here. Yeah. And Radical Highway Act 2. We reached the Act 2. There's no music. I'm sorry again for no music. Like, yeah, I'm really sorry for no music. So here, whoa. I'm kind of lazy because I didn't put some barrier blocks on that thingy. Yeah, I'm kind of lazy for that. And this thingy, and fly our way out. And that. And that. No. And if you time it right, you can actually die in that part, because yeah, really, you can actually die if you have full speed and you fall there. I'll just using Sonic for some reason. Like, yeah, you have to restart if you fall. Yeah, you have to restart again. And I'm telling you, if you came here, just don't use the Elytra, because that's cheating. I really work on the map and you just gotta cheat on it. Like, yeah, really, I don't want you to cheat on the map, so please don't cheat on the map. Yeah, really, I'm begging you, because I really work hard on it. Sorry, I gotta cut the mic out. Whoa, not again. Not again. Not the freaking thing again. And we reach it here. Let's just gotta run again. We reach it here. Yeah. Happy New Year to you guys. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sorry, I gotta cut the mic out because I'm doing something. And we finished the level. And we gotta grab the lever. And it's night time, right? I'll just put some extra lever, pressure plate there, and the time is gonna set day again. We are here in Sky Sanctuary Zone, which you can unlock the thingy, the lever thingy. Yeah. I'm not kind of busy now. The City Escape is now complete. I made Act 1 and Act 2. The City Escape is just the classic version of City Escape. Yeah, the City Escape is the classic version of the City Escape in the Sonic generations. Yeah, really. I said the Sonic City Escape will be really hard, but I tried my best and I just finished the City Escape thing. Yeah, and I finished the Metal Sonic boss fight too. Yeah, actually. And that's the zone. And yeah, I'm telling you, it the map still not reached 60 downloads, but I just made this the escape because I'm I'm kind of bored for some reason. Yeah, I'm kind of bored for some reason, so I just made it. I just made the City Escape update for sure. I just made it because I don't want to be lazy. So we unlock We unlock this. Yeah, actually, why not? You can play the Eggman boss fight by yourself. Yeah, just play it by yourself. And we unlock the adventure era, aka no aka. We have Rouge, the NPC here. Rouge says, "Thanks, Big Blue, for saving me. Where are we anyway?" And this is Metal Sonic. You're not Sonic, but I'll still beat you if you can. Without further ado, let's go to City Escape. I work really hard on this map, so this is one of my favorite zones. City Escape is one of my favorite zones. Yeah, really. The City Escape is one of my favorite zones. Sorry, I just break all of that leaves, so don't worry. The leaves is still there because I made the file already. I just made the file already. No, I just made the file already. So you will cross here and that you will go to this building. Yeah, it's not still in build in this one, and you have to break this thing to get through, and break the thing again. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's your fault if you fall. And here, I'm sorry very much that I didn't put I don't have an add-on to for this track thingy race, so let's just ignore that. I think the video is gonna cut on his own because I'm full on storage again. Yeah, I'm full on storage again. I think the video is gonna cut on its own. Yeah, and you will get in here. I said if this thingy don't reach upstairs, you had to do this. You had to do the homing attack. Oh, it's raining. That stupid rain. You can just clear the weather if you want. I don't know to you, and like that you will reach no. Homing attack first, and here, and you will reach the red thingy. And this part, I really have a fun building this part because it's so greeny, like a green hill zone. And here, if you time the if you hit the robot in time, you should do a homing attack. I'm gonna cut the mic again because it's so loud here. Oh, and I timed it right. Just gonna cut the mic again. Yeah, just gonna cut the mic again. And you go up here. You can actually reach it, but you have to do it. You had to do it properly. You can even reach here, and that you can reach that part. This part you can reach it. I put some extra blocks here so though you don't fall. I gotta say it again. Happy New Year! Yeah, Happy New Year, because why not? I think the video is gonna cut on this one. I had a really fun building this part too, and this part too, and that part. No, why did it launch me like for yeah? And you will go here, and that, and that, and that, and here. You need the homing attack here, and that, and that, and homing attack again. No, I didn't do it properly. Homing attack again, and now you beat the level. Now you beat the level. That's all for City Escape. Yeah, that's really all. The City Escape is not incomplete, I'm going to be honest, because I'm not really busy right now. Let's try the Metal Sonic boss fight. Yeah. Let's try the Metal Sonic boss fight. I think the video is gonna cut on its own because had the my storage is full. So let's go to Metal Sonic boss fight. You need to jump here because yeah, and the time, what the heck is happening? The time is going to set on night, and I don't have an add-on to oh, okay, sorry, I gotta do that. I don't have an add-on of Metal Sonic racing me, so I'm just gonna build his freaking head. Yeah, really. I have the fun building this part because yeah, actually I really have a fun time building this part. So yeah, if you fall, maybe you fall here or whatever. Whoa. If you fall, I just gotta put some pressure plate here. So many pressure plate, and you'll get back. You need to actually jump in that part because you will and here the boom bada bang, and Metal Sonic says no, this can't be happening, I was defeated. Yeah, you really are defeated, and just gotta destroy him, and it's good to go because you destroy him. And that's all for the Sonic Generations for Minecraft update. Hope you enjoy my Minecraft map. The Minecraft map is on the comment, the pinned comment on the pinned comment. I'm not really busy now, so thanks for watching, and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching. See you next time. See you in the next video, and like and subscribe and do all of that cool stuff. And I had to say I did face reveal. Yeah, I face reveal because why not? I'm gonna show my face to everybody, and that was, the video was not famous because some of you don't really want to see my face. So okay, the Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Bye. Goodbye.